Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide apps on an iPhone. Let's get started. This is useful if you want more privacy or if you want to keep your home screen clean and organized. First, unlock your iPhone. Swipe left on your home screen until you reach the app library. Now go back one screen where the app is located. Tap and hold the icon you want to delete. A small menu will appear. After that, tap on Remove App. Then choose Remove from Home Screen. The app is now hidden from the home screen but still available in the app library. And that's it. That's how you can hide apps on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.